I love bees because you don't sting me.
So we had a great time here at Neshika. It was not only educational, but also experiential in a number of different ways. Of course, there was a honey tasting of different honeys, where we got to taste the differences between the flavors and the textures of the different honeys. There was also an art project involved. There was observation of the bees, that included some really sage wisdom about the social behavior of the bees. And I'd say one of the coolest things I saw that was explained to me was one of the guard bees to the hive pulling out a bee that didn't belong there, that he had sensed didn't belong there, and we saw him grab the bee and pull him out of the hive. Thought that was really cool.
I also did.
Anyway, overall an amazing experience. 5 out of 5 stars. Highly recommend.